Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have red lobster.
Yes, that's what First Lady say. You know what it is already.
But why do we have red lobster today, my love?
Every week you ask me the same thing, you know, because it's
Fast Food Friday.
FFF in the building, you know. We at it again.
Okay.
What we got first?
I'm going to tell you what we have. I have some broccoli, mashed potatoes, and I have some New England clam chowder. I have my 2 biscuits, okay, the cheddar cheese biscuits. And then I have a rainbow trout here. And then we have...
We
have some shrimp fettuccine.
Yes.
And then, what do you have, my love?
Why not finish telling her?
Okay, so then my husband has salmon.
Not
2
one.
pieces.
2 pieces. I never get 2 pieces of salmon from nowhere.
Yeah, man. This meal was catered.
Oh, don't worry. Keep talking. Yeah.
Okay, so you had to go big or go home.
Go big or go home.
All right. With some broccoli and some rice, and then also the hubby has 2 cheddar cheese biscuits. We had 2 more. We ate it in the car.
Couldn't wait.
Telling the business.
Couldn't wait. We couldn't wait.
We are very excited, and we want to give a big shout out to Mama Shay. We appreciate you catering this meal.
Appreciate you, Mama Shay. So you know we have to go all out. Mama Shay.
Red Lobster style.
Red Lobster style.
Now, she also sent us each a birthday gift, and so we appreciate that with a birthday cash app, and we appreciate that as well. Thank you so much for catering the meal and for the birthday love.
Thank you, Mama Shay. Respect. Bop. All right. And later on, we also got more meal.
We got meal.
So you gotta watch and figure out what we have. So
you don't want to miss out.
Don't want to miss out. It's gonna be a decent video today. Okay? So first off,
man, start eating.
Gotta have. You know it. I'm not even gonna put it to the camera too much, cause you already know that. Put some. Yo. Look at them, make my salmon too crispy, you know, man.
Cause there was
can't deal with that right now, no.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
That hurts.
Okay.
They had different options, but the other ones, I was like, Okay.
It look good. Wait,
chowder.
first, give me some of that clam chowder. Drop it on some rice, on my rice, like a little gravy. Please, hold on. Let me get some of that kind. Then I'm going to gravy. So.
Yeah, he's back.
Yeah, I am back. You already know it. First lady did great, excellent. First lady's a boss. All right. What we say now?
But you gotta remember, I had a channel before my hubby.
Yep.
So I know how to
She know how to entertain. And it's all y'all ladies. I ain't got no guys out there that come watch. They better not come watch. All right.
This is good.
Hold on. First. Hold on. Hot. Cool down. Mama Shay, first. What do you want to sample first? Biscuit, salmon, the shrimp thing, whatever. It's up to you. You tell me what you want. So first of all, I'm going to give you a piece of the salmon because I know you love the salmon. I could tell.
That looks good.
Right here, Tom?
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay. Take a big bite. Okay,
yeah,
I'll wait. All right. Good.
I'm cool. I cooled this for you.
Yeah,
and I want you to try
go.
my clam chowder.
Sorry.
You got it?
Yeah. There you go. All right. I don't know if you like biscuits, so I'm not going to force you to eat a biscuit. Okay? But other than that, we going to get down. What we got? What we looking like?
Hot money.
Hot?
The biscuit inside the soup is so good.
Red Lobster biscuit be bussin'. Let me know. Comment down if you like Red Lobster biscuit.
Let Mama Shay try my trout.
Let's just try the trout. I never had trout before, but you made it possible.
There you go.
There you go, Mama Shay. Take peace. And I'm a fisherman. I never catch those before. How was a trout?
It's good. Where would you catch those?
You still catching my fish? I think those guys have to go deep sea.
Oh.
Deep sea.
Yeah, this is good. That trout is good.
Give me that trout.
I was.
Give me that trout, man. Oh, you want to give me that trout?
I was gonna give it to you.
Family's taking too long to give me that trout.
Lord God,
I'm back, son.
I see.
I can't eat this spaghetti with that, son.
Oh. You have a fork?
Vincent?
Mama Shay, how was the salmon? Cause I'm gonna try right now. First lady. You wanna try?
Really
You wanna
nice
try?
one.
You wanna try salmon? Taste. Mama Shay say it tastes good.
That's a big piece.
You want a big piece? Nah, since you want a big piece, I get small piece.
A small piece. Yeah, that's a big piece right there.
Alright, that one. See some? Is it okay?
And bun it up, man.
But I'm salmon, mind you.
They could cut off that part. What the hell?
They burn up my salmon.
Damn.
I'm gonna have to call them, so real talk. They burn. And guess what, family? You tell them what happened? First lady, tell them what happened. When we got our food.
They almost, well, you know, we did it curbside, so we don't have to go inside. Why not take advantage of it, right? I always check the food. When I checked it, all of the whole of Richie's meal wasn't even in there.
Yeah.
So we could have got home, and we lived like 25 minutes away from him, and there'll be no food for him.
Nope.
He'd have to eat the pasta, which would be fine, but that's not what he wanted everything. You know, saying Kenyan food.
Family, they burned up my salmon, yo. I'ma complain. No, it's burned. They burned up my thing. I gotta take up all that meat. It's all meat I'm wasting in. I don't like that. I'm wasting a lot of food.
A lot of food. They burn it up.
They burn it up. Okay, we got something. All right.
So good.
It's all good. We back on the grind, though. Look at that.
Ooh. You know, I always ask, or the hubby always asks, what you guys got planned for the weekend?
They tired that we asking that now.
I'm going to wash my hair and put some big braids in. Because I really and truly, I don't feel like doing my hair, but I'm going to throw some big braids in.
You tell you to do a style.
I'm going to do a style probably when it's time for my daughter's graduation. My daughter is graduating from middle school, going to high school, y'all.
No. Listen now. Listen out now. I'm going to be a teacher for that school. I'm going to be a teacher. She's going to high school now. Family. Give the other family member a little because I want this here.
We're only doing...
Yeah. The one. I took out the burn part, family. So here.
It's for the family members.
This is for the family members now. Hold on. Too far. Zoom in. Good?
I think I can't see it.
Yeah, it's good.
Okay.
There we go. There we go. Take a bite of that one. Okay. I took off the burn part. I know.
It tastes better without the burn part though?
It's much better. I know. They messed up on the thing, but it's alright. We got them. No, is that cheating, no?
Yeah. Ooh!
I could count the rice what they gave me.
That's why we got you pasta.
Wow.
The pasta is really for Richie, you know?
Pasta's for me. Count the rice. I could count the rice on my finger for me. You know what I'm saying?
But believe it or not, I believe that that's the portion that Red Lobster give you.
For what?
When you go to the restaurant.
Yeah?
Yeah. Like, you know how some places you're like, this can't be the portion?
You think so? Well, I appreciate the portion they give you. The portion then.
What's it?
What I mean?
I'm gonna figure someone.
Somebody box it out your hand?
Yeah, man.
Okay. Alright.
The trout is seasoned good. It's a big piece of trout too.
It's seasoned good for me.
Yeah, I did. Did you ask if you had some of my food?
I'm back, son.
No. Don't be rude enough before you get put out.
You see? Y'all got me first to cut my pay again.
This is good.
Trout good, right?
This is very good.
Yeah, that's
I
good.
couldn't decide if I wanted the
Trout
trout
or the other one?
or the fish sandwich.
Cod sandwich.
Cod fish sandwich. I'm glad I picked that.
Good, right?
It's good.
I like the back of it. It's skin.
Yeah?
You're just peeling off.
Is it seasoned or is it
Try
crispy?
that. Let me taste it.
It's not crispy.
It's not seasoned. In the back.
Oh, it's seasoned back? I like seasoned up on the front?
I seasoned up on the front.
Well,
but it is seasoned though.
it is seasoned, the top part.
How your day going, family?
That's a messy.
Good? Okay. Good to know.
Ooh.
Thank you for asking. We're sorry. We're doing good too. You know what I'm saying? We're doing much better than that. We're eating and we're talking to y'all nosy people.
Hey, when did you eat your biscuit?
You know what I'm eating?
No.
Huh? You don't want yours?
I want mine.
Oh.
And don't leave bottom over here.
So you asking about my biscuits for that?
Wow. When?
When I get the family then. Family saw me eat a long time.
Wow. You're fast.
And they said, damn, you really like that biscuit? I sure do like that biscuit.
Let me taste 2 times spicy
Yeah.
on the fish. It's seasoned, but I want to see.
Man.
I like to see what tastes good with the 2 times spicy and what doesn't. You know?
Word, B. This is good. Yo, I feel some weight though, they burn my thing, you know?
Yeah.
For real, yo. I feel some type of weight, cause right now. What?
Damn! Did y'all see that?
What happened?
A piece of the cheese dropped right on my lip. We said grilled. We didn't say burned.
You didn't say burn.
Yeah, they tripping.
They're tripping. And they messed up on the thing too?
Oh, hold on, pause. I'm gonna have to get my nose in the camera. Go ahead, say that.
And they messed up on the order too? And they can give me bird salmon, but it's all good. I took out the burn part, but it's good. But you know?
If I didn't check that bag, family, we would have got home.
I would live 25 minutes away.
I've been so mad.
I've been pissed because that's my food.
Yeah. Because then, he would definitely want to eat some of my food.
I'd have definitely eat First Lady food. You already know, because I'd have been tight right now. Good thing she always check the bag before we go.
No matter what it is, family, make sure you check that bag. For your sauce, utensils, if you're going to be eating in the car or...
Everything.
Everything.
Yep. Stop, man.
Your fork drop?
Yeah. Somebody's wanting some.
The biscuit taste is really, really good in here. It's almost like when you're eating soup and they give you those little crackers, but it's buttery.
Look, I'm afraid to. I thought it was an old thing. This ain't the old one.
It's a new one, baby.
We could use a fork on this one. It won't scratch up.
That's a good one.
Family. This was a good one. You had to go here. Look how much meat I'm dashing away. Tom, you have to call them. No.
You not call them? Are you on food enough?
No, you have to call them. No, so I can't do that.
How are you gonna do that?
Excuse me, you gotta do that. Alright, right now I waste a lot of food.
Okay, don't come up over here again. You still have your salmon over there. You have beer meat over there, so all of this. Alright. You keep it up and up because I'm telling you.
They're burning mine.
You're gonna be out of here.
You see that?
You're gonna be out of here.
I'm gonna stop. Because first they're gonna run me.
No, I'm gonna stop before you get mad and then don't come back in the next video. Oh my God.
They give you a lot. I ain't one thing with this, the fettuccine. They give you a lot of shrimps.
They did.
Y'all like shrimp fettuccine? That's what it's called? Yeah. Shrimp pasta, whatever. Same thing. Y'all like it? They give you a lot of shrimp.
They had a lobster one.
Yeah?
But they was tripping with the price. I know Mama Shay catered the meal and all, but we gotta make it stretch. We gotta be able to get more food. Exactly. You know what I mean? We can't be spending non-stop. I could use that what they was charging for the lobster fettuccine. I did all 6 lobster tails. I always liked Red Lobster's clam chowder.
Yeah?
Yeah. Every time I go, I always buy it. I always order it.
Wow. You full, huh?
No, I'm not. I know you wish I was, but I'm not. Okay. I even make a dent in my food because I was drinking my soup.
They gave me broccoli? You see them?
You ate it.
I did?
Yep, that's the problem.
I didn't realize it.
Yep. And I'm too fast, man. You have to enjoy your food.
I do enjoy my food.
No. I'm saying.
No, you said because I eat
You
family.
can't even remember that you ate the.
One thing with me, family.
This is a skin family. We don't want the skin.
One thing with me, I can't eat my food hot. I like my food cool. You know what I'm saying?
That's true.
First they like our food hot. I can't eat my food like hot like that.
My food has to be hot.
I want to enjoy it. I have to. I like to eat my food when it's like lukewarm. Hot, but not too hot. Wow.
Cute man. You ever been drunk with a fork before?
You're not eating the food, man. You're full, man.
It doesn't matter. Leave
You're
my food
full.
alone. I'm gonna eat it later.
If you're full, don't eat no more.
No, don't touch my food.
Alright.
You can't have that.
I guess I lost today.
Eat that. Want the biscuit?
One more biscuit, buddy.
Good.
Give me food. Clean?
Yep.
Good. We on point now. Take a shit, baby. Your small mouth is your mouth small. Family, yes, don't worry, we're getting there. Let us eat first. It's coming.
What are they saying? I didn't hear them.
They want to see package. Don't worry, it's coming. But in the mealtime when you're watching, just stroll down in the bottom and look at the P.O box.
What the?
You know what I'm saying? While you're watching at the same time.
Oh.
It's there.
Honey. We gotta tell them about the movie that we watched.
Oh. Yes. We watched for the family member that's talking about it's still going. For the family member that's talking about the Cutthroat City. That was a good movie too.
We watched that.
Yeah. So what you think what happened first?
The ending is basically for you to determine what ending you would like for your personal. I feel like he's still alive. I want him to be alive.
Yeah.
What about you?
Me, I want him to be alive. That was a good movie
Yeah.
though. It was a nice movie. Right?
It reminded me of the movie reminded me of Set It Off.
Just like that. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
That was a good choice. Good choice, family. We like that one.
We like that one. And the other one we watched was what? What?
No. Not talking about that one.
We're not talking about that.
Go ahead to that one.
Okay.
I can't pronounce it right now.
Okay. What was the other one?
The Hunt.
Yes.
The
Oh.
Hunted? Is it The Hunt?
The Hunt. I fell asleep, family. I couldn't do it. I was out, son. I ain't capping. I was out. First day you watching. I was knocked out. Tell them I don't want to go first.
I watched it. It was a good movie. It makes you think, right? Twists and turns. But what I liked about it was at the end when they was fighting, and she's like, "Well, are you really this person?" And she's like, "No." And then she's like, "Well, oops." So if you watch the movie, you understand what I'm talking about.
Okay. The person said that was a good one.
She thought that somebody who she was trying to, I guess, get killed, wasn't the right person. And instead of like saying like, "Oh man, I made a mistake," she was like, "Well, oops, whatever."
Yep.
But it was a good movie.
It was the first day you like that one.
So we watched those two.
Yep. I fell asleep, son. I ain't gonna cap.
You was tired though.
I was knocked the hell out. Couldn't do the next one.
Yeah. Tired.
Tired as hell. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, appreciate y'all for letting us know.
Give us some movie ideas. How many more movies we have left?
Couple. And family, some of those movies you gotta pay for. We ain't got no money to pay for those. Some of those movies, family, you gotta buy. Family, we ain't got no movie to buy. Give us something that's on Netflix that's free. Some of those you gotta order. I'm like, what? They in stars? They on stars?
Yeah, I don't understand why we have to buy it when. So like we wanted to watch The Girl in the Basement, and I thought it was on Lifetime, so I don't know why they're charging us. Listen, we don't mind if we want to see a movie that we really want to see. And it's like in theaters, because if you spend $20 on a movie at home, if you go to the movie theaters, you'll spend more than that. You know what I mean? Between Richie and I, that's $20 to $25.
Facts.
Then the gas to get there. Then you gotta buy snacks and buy food. By the time you're done, you spend all $60. So $20 to watch a movie, okay, fine. At home, in the comfort of your own home, it's fine. But not a movie that was on Lifetime. Why would I buy a movie that's on Lifetime? I'll just wait till it come on Lifetime.
Yeah, they trying to rob us. But we got a lot more to watch. Like them choices. So we gonna get to it. I want to get to the present.
Okay.
Family, I just want to get to the present. And then I'll finish this later. Because I know the video is already long. It's already long, so yeah, read it for I know y'all late and I'm like, alright, now hurry up and give us the present.
We're gonna clean up, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna open up our mail. Okay, family, we are back, and here is our packages that we received from our family member, aka subscribers. This is one, and I'm going to start by opening up this one. But before I open up this one, the hubby's gonna do the.
Wow! I almost forgot. Alright.
Alright, my love, you can put this down there for me.
Down here. Alright. See what I got for y'all beautiful people today.
Beautiful people.
Family, First Lady, don't let a bad day make you feel like you have a bad life.
Ooh.
Don't make a bad day
what you talking
feel
about?
like you have a bad life.
Yes.
You can relate, relate. Let me know. Gave y'all good people that one. I had to dig down deep for that one.
I love that one. That was a very, very good one.
All right. We're back. This is what I'm waiting for. I had to cut my food short. Because y'all rushing us.
Who rushing you?
They rushing us. I said, get to the package, man. I want to be nosy. Let's see what that's from. Because that is from Amazon, ain't it?
It's from Amazon.
Oh, no. What's that?
Okay. Oh, sorry, family member. All right. Okay.
Oh, I know who this is from, too.
Enjoy your gift. Pastor Richie, hope you like your B-Day gift. Make sure First Lady, when washing, turn shirt inside out. Wash it cold and hang up to dry to protect the logo from peeling. From Sharon Johnson.
Sharon Johnson, I knew that was from you.
Yo, I knew it.
Listen, I knew it. Well, appreciate that again. And look, you remember the hat?
Oh!
I meant to wear the hat today and I didn't put it on. So she got me the matching hat with the matching shirt.
You're not gonna open up my wow.
Go on. And I knew it was you. From that note, I knew it was.
Yes. She don't play with her notes enough. Sharon Johnson don't play. Oh, that is nice. Size small.
Check me out. All right.
That's so nice, honey.
I love when the tiger them steals.
So Richie's gonna open up the big one.
Okay, this one is from Joyce Mack.
Joyce Mickety Mack.
Joyce Mickety Mack in the building. And it's a big box. I'm opening it on the floor, okay? Let's see what's in here.
All right.
First Lady.
Ooh.
Here. Let's see what's going on in here.
Okay, wow. Oh.
What's that? Oh, that's for the thing. Look
at that.
That's for the car?
That's for the car. When we're doing our car bangs. When we're doing our bang, 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 bang,
that's
bang,
so
bang.
nice.
That is very nice. Thank you.
Thank you, Joyce Mack. What color do you want?
I want gray.
I'm black, so you take black. I'm black, so you can take gray.
So how it works is you hook it on your steering wheel, and then you can put your food here. So when we're doing a car bang, we can have our food here instead of having it on our laps or trying to figure out where to put it. So this was an excellent
appreciate you,
gift,
Joyce Mack. We needed this. So when you put your food on this, I'm gonna eat off of yours because.
Why you always gotta eat off of my stuff?
All right, but. Thank you so much, Joyce Mack.
Thank you. It's so silly. We appreciate it from Joyce Mack and we appreciate Sharon Johnson.
Thank you so much. All right. Wow.
Yeah, man.
We needed this.
Yeah, we did.
This is nice.
Yes.
All right. If you're new, like, comment, subscribe, and share. We are the Greedy Couple. This is First Lady, aka Shanice, aka Chatty Chatty sometime. And I'm Pastor Richie, aka Richie.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang.
Bye. Whee.
I know they didn't think we was gonna finish our food.
Come on now.
Got us messed up.
Come on now. You know that. We gotta finish this. Woo. But I hope y'all like everything else. Appreciate y'all again. Alright? Thank you.
You know, we haven't had red lobster in a long time. I can't tell you the last time I had that. A long time ago.
In a long time. Go around that time we don't even got a lobster.
I know. I think I had lobster there one time in my life. A red lobster. I was probably like 17 when my dad used to take us.
Yeah.
And I feel like sometimes they overcook it. So I think I was like, oh.
This was good.
Yeah.
But guess what? The only problem I didn't like.
The burnt salmon?
Hey, bro, my freaking salmon, son. An expensive meal that was very catered for us. I don't like that, son. You know what I mean? Trust me. Family, come on, y'all know better than that. The salmon was good too, ain't it? I just didn't like that part, man.
But you usually order the Emerald Feast. How come you stop ordering that?
I don't want that. I don't feel like so much fried stuff right now.
Too much fried.
I used to order the Emerald Feast, if that's what it's called. Everything fried. I ain't want it today.
Yeah. When I used to get but they stopped that now. They don't make that anymore. The chicken breast. No, the Emerald Feast they make it. But the chicken breast. I used to get 2 chicken breasts with shrimps on top, with the rice and the broccoli. I love that. That's my favorite thing to get from there, from lobster. And they stopped making it, and it had this sauce that was so good. They just stopped making it.
Watch y'all order when y'all go there.
Yeah.
Let us know. We could try it. They don't sell pork. No, alright, yes. They said they don't sell pork, Richie, so. They sell pork? Oh. So let us know.
That is true that they don't sell pork. Wow.
We got some good family members.
We have some beautiful family members. Very thoughtful.
God. Very thoughtful.
Very thoughtful. We appreciate them very much.
Everything. Because you know why? Y'all don't have to do it.
Don't.
Y'all don't have to do it. And y'all take your time. Out of your special day, whatever y'all doing. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
And send us something.
Speak on it, honey.
I'm speaking on it. Let me talk right now. Let me talk. Pastor Richie's in the session now. So, as I was saying before, at first they say, y'all don't have to do it. But y'all go out the way. It's the thought that counts. You know what I'm saying? That's why we appreciate y'all, every single one of y'all. We say it a lot, but y'all really don't see. We really do.
Yeah.
That's why if some of y'all is in our city and we could reach out to y'all, we would try to reach out to y'all. You understand? But we do appreciate y'all because y'all don't have to. For reference, lady, you have anything else piggyback on that?
You said everything right.
Yeah.
Everything's perfect.